Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a post on Instagram. First of all, let's launch the Instagram app. Let's click the plus sign to create our post. This is going to be our post for today. Click next. Do you want to edit something? Sure you can. Add music, refresh, filters, anything that you would like to. The slim part over here is that right before you actually start adding your caption, information, hashtags and location, you want to scroll down to the last section, which is advanced settings. You want to click on advanced settings and the first option will be schedule this post. You want to click on this, and when you actually toggle this in, you have the pop-up window where you can actually schedule the exact date and you can pick the exact time as well. Very important, you can actually choose the zone, the time zone, because you might be overseas but you still want to publish on your local time. So we can scroll down and we can pick a day, right? And we can pick a time, we can pick minutes, we can pick AM or PM, and then when we're ready, right, you just press done. Then you want to go back, and as usual you can type the captions, test one post, right? And then as usual you can tag people, you can add reminder as well. So for example, if you want to remind yourself prior posting, you can do so. The last step of course will be to click schedule the post. Okay, what this means that the Instagram will need access information from your Facebook. Okay, if you didn't provide any additional information, that will be okay. After we're scheduling the post, let's say for example you want to check the post, right? You want to go on your account, then you want to click on the three lines at the top. Essentially the third option will be scheduled content. You click on scheduled content and there you have it. You have your post, the date and the schedule. Let's say you want to change your mind, you can simply reschedule for a different time, or you can simply share right away. Let's say you might not have Wi-Fi or something might happen. So this is how you're gonna go about it. You can delete it, which we're going to do. You can actually edit it and keep the schedule, or you can actually post it right away. For more content like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.